Welcome back to Shit I Made Without a Recipe. Today we're making a really easy honey soy chicken marinade. We've got some Chinese cooking wine. Now I'm not measuring any of this. This is all done by sight. Black sesame oil. This is really nice, but you can use normal sesame oil if that's all that you've got. Black vinegar, same thing. That's what I've got. If you've just got normal vinegar, then go ahead and use that. Some delicious honey. Now when we pop this in the fridge, we want to put it in for at least 2 hours. Overnight's the best. Some minced garlic, plop that in there. Some ketchup mayonnaise. I'm sorry I didn't show it on camera, I must have forgotten. Pour it in there. Hey, white pepper. Some onion powder. And a whole heap of soy sauce. When you're ready to cook, just pop it in the oven for about 30 minutes and enjoy. Thank you very much.